Right, another Ohm's law example problem. This one includes power, though. What is the power rating of a microwave oven that requires a source of potential difference of 120 volts and has an internal resistance of 1.2 ohms? This one's a little bit more complicated than the others because it takes a couple of steps. So let's write down what we're given. We're given a potential difference of 120 volts and a resistance of 1.2 ohms. And the question wants to know how much power is required. So power is one of our unknowns. If we write down the equation for power, P equals V times I, you know that we also need to know the current. I don't know the current, so that's another unknown. And Ohm's law tells us that current equals voltage divided by resistance. So what I'm going to do, instead of solving for something and rounding off and potentially getting things wrong in my calculator and all that stuff by rounding, is I'm going to simply take this and I'm going to plug it in for I right there. So that means my power is my voltage times the voltage divided by the resistance, because voltage divided by resistance is your current. Now if I have V times V, that means my power is my voltage squared divided by my resistance, because V times V is V squared. So now I'm just going to plug in my numbers. I have 120 volts squared divided by 1.2 ohms. So my power is 120 squared divided by 1.2. My power is 12,000 watts, or 12 kilowatts, if you wanted to do it that way. And there you go. Two-step problem is a little bit more complicated, but not really that hard.